I've been making some strawberry popsicles, and, well, they're strawberry yogurt popsicles. Yoplait is the best yogurt. It's awesome. So I just took a break to wash my hands in between each popsicle. That's what I like to do. So I'm ready to start my last popsicle. So we want to take our cup and we want to fill it up, which is very simple. So we want to make sure that we have it about 1/2 inch from the brim, because it can overflow by squishing the top down it. So this is about how full you should have it. After you've done that, you want to take your stick and your top, and you want to snap it on. You want to make sure that none of the edges are slimy. This can be messy if you're not careful. So we want it to have on there good and tight, but not too good and tight. So you just want to really nicely get around the edges. And here we have our last popsicle. These are awesome for sleepovers because you can make them the night before and then have them for breakfast before their parents pick them up. So yeah, and you need to freeze these for at least overnight, if not 24 hours. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!